Hello, how you doing? Fred in the shed. Back in the shed, back up in the Radio Shack. Just a quick video really, I'm just sitting up here mucking about, so I thought you might as well join me. Now, obviously people say, there's no one on CB, you know, I've got a CB, Fred, UK CB absolutely dead, what a waste of money. And I kind of get it in a way. Here we are, this is on the FM, this is our 40 FM channels, and we just go round the block. So we start on channel 19, this is 3 o'clock and on a Sunday afternoon, so you'd expect some people about. Dead. Someone in the back of the box here. Let's skip. There you go. So I might go, oh, that's a waste of bloody time, innit? Switch the radio, oh, I wasted my money. Go downstairs, moan about it to the good lady. But if you invest in a sideband radio, and you can go that little bit further, because we'll just switch the radio back on. And now let's change to the European bands. So on this one we just want to go to band D. Okay, let's just change the frequency. And now let's change from FM to upper sideband. And now let's have a little flick on the upper sideband, and then let's see how dead it is. Bit out of frequency, but
Radio Charlie 115 for QRZ.
Torri di consulenza Verona, Riccardino e buongiorno, buona serenata.
You have yourself a super fine day. Appreciate the contact. 73's to you, my friend. 22 Delaware, standing by. Good, enjoy the day. 212, Operator Scott, Massachusetts, will be QRT. 27 Orlando, Florida, thanks for the comeback. Enjoy the Sunday. 212, Operator Scott, Massachusetts, 24, clear day.
Hey, Roger, on this here, kid.
Alpha Tango 111. This is Alpha Tango 111.
Cheers to you there, brother. Hey, 6906 Arizona, we heard you out there, and if you can hear me, good morning, straight up.
6 weeks worth of work that I can only do in about 4 hours. Especially them big oak leaves, they weigh about a pound each. The acorns are the worst, because then you get chipmunks and squirrels. It's painful. There's this big monster. I went in and I was like, oh my God, there was acorns everywhere. Well, by the time I pulled all the gear out and took all the gear apart because they made nests and everything, I had 3/4. I was cleaning acorns out with a shovel. I had 3/4 of a barrel full. I couldn't even lift the barrel up anymore. The shed was loaded with acorns. I believe it because
he's faded out unfortunately before I could jump in. It's very in and out today.
Secure contest, hello, Sugar Delta, Wolf contest, secure, Sugar Delta, Wolf contest, 31 Sugar Delta, 688, 31 Sugar Delta, 688, calling on QSY, 27 on 620, 620. Sugar Delta, 688, 31 Sugar Delta, 688, QSY.
26 Charlie Tango 1664 1664 UK England.
The UK station taking.
26 Charlie Tango 1664 1664 UK.
Roger, 1664. Very good afternoon, my friend from England. Many thanks to call me and give me the points. You were 5-9 in Portugal. I gave you the progressive number 591 591. My name is Angelo. Alpha November 12 Echo Lima Oscar. Club on England, Charlie Tango. 26 Charlie Tango 1664. Please, what is your name?
QSL or copied. Yeah, personal this way is Fred, Roger. That's Foxtrot Romeo Echo Delta. 20 kilometres from the capital city of London, town of St Albans. St Albans, QSL.
Roger, Fred. Very good. I have many QSOs to Charlie Tango on UK. It is a pleasure listening to your voice. This is the first time here to Portugal. Many thanks, Mr. Fred. Υπάρχει κι άλλο σταθμός εδώ να ακούει την Ήπειρο για μια δοκιμή.
Absolutely banging in today. Lots of propagation. Lots of foreign stations. Had lots of USA in as well. Everything's alive. I mean, anyone that switches on their radio this afternoon, just with a basic antenna and or got a sideband radio, they can't say that there's no one on the radio. Whether they get a contact, well, that's a different thing, of course.
Από το 7900 πιο πολύ. Tú me estás dando 10-15, pero imagínate, ¿no? Que dan 20, ya tú sabes, son los que dan 20. Ya tú sabes cómo la cosa, la negra, preferirme, to be very good modulation, very strong signal for modulation.
So as you hear, it's mad, it's all over sideband. But if we go back to the UK FM, I go back to band here, and if I'm going to go back to the UK channels, okay, just bear with me as we go around the block. There we go. So we're back on. Let's change the mode back to FM. So we're now back on the UK channels. Go. And in the comments, oh, it's bloody dead, Fred, there's no one on bloody radio anymore. Get yourself on sideband if you want the action. That's the only way to do it, really. You need to splash out, get yourself a sideband rig, get an antenna on a pole out in the garden, and there are literally hundreds of people on radio. Just thought I'd show you that while I'm sitting up in the shack. So as always, look after each other, yeah, take care. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.
Fred's in the shed where the magic unfolds. Fred in the shed with his trusty CB. He's a friend to the lonely on a frequency.